What's up, YouTube? Just a quick video how I sort scrap copper. Dice it up with this bad boy, the Milwaukee M12 copper cutter. Then I'll just have one bucket clean, one bucket dirty, one bucket of brass, and a bucket for random odds and ends. I'll let these buckets just fill up and I'll get rid of it. It's not worth just holding on to it, piling up all that. I like to keep the copper organized. Organized, and then when it fills up, it's gone. And I'm not out here dicing it up with a bandsaw, making all kinds of copper splinters and a mess. It ain't worth it. So this is just how I do it. And then I'll go something like that. And put that off to the side. It ain't bothering nobody. All right. Peace.